Sales. Selena fixes prices to make a standard gross profit percentage on sales at 30%. The following information for the year ended 31 January 20x5 is available to compute her sales total for the year. Inventory: 1 February 20x4, $60,750. 31 January 20x5, $65,425. Purchases: $148,850. Purchases returns: $10,300. What is the sales figure for the year ended 31 January 20x5? Answer: cost of sales. Opening inventory $60,750. Purchases $148,850. Less purchases returns $10,300. Total $199,300. Less closing inventory minus $65,425. A total $133,875. Margin equals sales minus cost divided by sale equals 30%. Sales equals $133,875 times 100 divided by 70 equals $191,250.